So the next modal verb is could. Its first use is for seeking permission. Example is, could I borrow your dictionary? And here this is a very polite permission. This kind of permissions are made when you are urgently requiring something and you are not sure whether you will be given that thing or not. Could I borrow your dictionary? Means, could I please have your dictionary? Next is request. Could you say it again more slowly? That is again a very polite request. Possibility. I think we could have another idea. Possibility can also be used. For possibility, this modal verb is also used. Future. I wish Kendrill could meet the next week. For future, and you are hoping for something, then this modal verb can be used. Ability. In past, he gave up his old job so he could work for us. Or he could swim when he was 5 years old. My grandfather could jump really good when he was at his young age. So for past ability, could is also used. Next is may. For permission, formal ones. May I have another cup of coffee? It is used with the persons who are not so personally connected with you, like you use it every day. May I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? Or may I do this? This is not an personal. This is not an informal kind of modal verb. These are used where you have formal relationships. Possibility. I may finish my homework. Possibility also have uh, three kind of models involved in the sentences, like dealing with this possibility. If there is general possibility, you don't know whether there is more possibility or less possibility, then we use can. Like I gave you the sentence, accidents can happen anytime, or he can come. Possibility, he can come. But when you use may, it means there is more possibility. Okay, like the sky is cloudy, it may rain, because if clouds are there, then the chances of rain are more. And if the possibility is least, then we use might. Like we say, the sky is all clear, it dash rain. If the sky is clear, the chances of rain are less, then we will use might. Can for general possibility, may if you have many more chances of the thing happening, and might if you have less possibility. May is also used for exclamatory sentences when you wish for somebody, like you say, may you live long, may you get what you want. Next is might, possibility. But in when we use might, there will be always the least possibility of something. Like, we would better phone tomorrow, they might be eating their dinner now. Okay, or if we change the direct speech into indirect one, like he wished for me that I might live long. Next is ought to. Ought to and should, both are just similar. Saying what's right or correct, she ought to finish by next week. Okay, or you ought to obey your parents, we ought to follow the traffic rules.